Hey, City, good morning. Can you swim well?
Yeah.
You're a good swimmer?
Yeah.
Okay, so I won't drown. Baby, can you swim well?
Like a dolphin.
Ah, so see, I'm in good hands. Two
Cheesecake.
men. Cheesecake. You give City his. Have that cheesecake, City.
I'll save it for later.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm pleasantly surprised. You're saving dessert for later. Okay, ready. Good morning, DTs. We
It's
had
been a really good time.
Beautiful time.
And then we're going to the beach.
Yes, we had a really good time at this apartment. Thank you, baby. Nice surprise. And guess what? He didn't tell me I was going to the beach. It's a good thing. The ladies always prepared. So I threw in a bathsuit for myself, beach shorts for him, and t-shirt. Can you imagine? And it was his surprise, but it was a lovely surprise, and we had a beautiful time. And now it's time to say bye, apartment. See you next time.
See you, Jamaica. Where it gets videos. Is this called the grand zipping?
Yes.
Zipping out of the.
Thank you. Thing I prepared. A little bit. Ooh, my little baby come. Come, baby. Hey,
What do I have to
you
do?
haven't told me back good morning.
Oh, good.
Proper good morning.
Morning.
Come to this side and do it.
Good morning. Do I? Look, can we get ready?
Thank you. Strip in the bed and put it into the wash.
Yeah, I know, but
That's what this is.
isn't that their job though?
Yeah, but you know, it's when you go to a B&B, kind of
So what do you want me to do? Go in the kitchens today at Rick and Finn's and do all the cooking?
No. Sit See, we're stripping the bed because
Yeah, because it's the decent thing to do. Say
decent
it's
thing
the
to do.
decent thing to do.
and we're pretending to be decent people.
Yeah.
No, but seriously, I literally brought pods. Seriously, I literally brought washing pods.
Oh, I thought where my ear things might be.
Oh, where? In the
I
van?
thought they might be in the computer where I charged them. You know what I mean?
Oh,
I never looked at it.
maybe. Maybe. Okay, that's done. Okay, City. Whew. Then here we go. Uh-oh. Then here we go.
You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you.
Can't you believe you're doing that?
At you makes my whole world spin.
I mean, why? That's their job, baby.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get on leaving it.
You don't have to wake up yet.
You look pretty in your.
It just makes their
Go
lives
on.
You
easier.
can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. KG
This is crazy. Just get out.
Bye, apartment. See you next time. He just went to hand him the key, so we're just going to be having coffee. Well, not for me. I don't drink coffee. Well, rarely. I do, but very rarely. So I'm going to order coffee for him, a cappuccino, and I myself, I will just have herbal tea, and then after that we'll go to a cafe because the little baby is hungry. Okay, DT. So, of course, T told his children that we're having a little baby. But now I have City so that I can ask him what were his actual thoughts. Because I know if it was my dad and he's not a spring chicken, I would have been terribly surprised. Like awfully surprised. But anyway, guys, let us find out. And you can be honest. What did you think when your dad told you that we were about to have a baby? Did you think it was a prank?
I thought 6, the magic number. So I thought 6 children.
And he thinks 7.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. You thought 6 was the magic number.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Do you think it will be a boy or a girl?
I think boy.
You think it will be a boy?
Yeah.
Why?
Just because all his other children are boys except
Except for Gracie, right? That's what I was thinking too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Even though for me, my dad and my mom has one boy and the others are girls. He has 6 girls and one boy, so it's the opposite.
Yeah.
But yeah, And
Pretty sure. I would like it to be a girl then.
you'd like it to be a
Yeah,
girl?
interesting, yeah.
Oh, because what? There are too many of you
Yeah,
boys.
a lot of boys. Yeah.
Okay, well, guess what? I'm gonna try to make you a promise. If this little baby is not a boy, then we'll try and give you a girl next year. That's fair, right? All right, Sidi, thank you. As I wait tea, I'm just having a, she said it's fruit drop, coconut fruit drop, I think. Something like that. Herbal tea. And Sidi doesn't want anything. I guess he's like his dad. They don't eat much in the mornings. So I'll enjoy. Flat scone.
Yeah, that's it.
They're normal, it's true.
Cool.
Yeah. Guess what, guys? I should be having this with jam, but I'm not a butter lover. But I should be having it with jam and it should be warm. A scone. But hey, the baby's hungry. And we don't want to get nauseous. Can I have a bit of it? It's quite fresh. As in fresh tasting, as in just baked. It's nice, I like it. Tea have gone a distance away to return the key, I'm sure, because yesterday I sat outside the apartment and waited for him to return. And when he came back, he was sweating like crazy. I was like, babe, where you running? He said, yes. I'm like, why? We're on holiday. Where are we rushing to? He was sweating like crazy. As soon as he came in, jumped in the shower, in and out. And they were rested for a little bit. And then he made us dinner. It was really, really lovely, guys. Really lovely. We had, well, I tasted a little bit of his lamb. I am not a lamb lover, but because of how he prepared it, it just looked good, it smelled good, really nice and fresh. So I tasted his lamb. I had my salmon. He also did prawns for us. He also got mussels, but we were so full and tired, we forgot them, because usually we would have had the prawns and the mussels first. But yesterday, we were just hungry, so we just dived in. So we mistakenly, well, we forgot about them, plus we were so tired. So this morning we threw them out and it was really nice. We had a really, really, really lovely evening. After dinner we chilled, we relaxed, we had adult time, of course, and yeah, it was a good time. And this morning he woke early before me and he did the rest of the dishes that were done, cleaned the kitchen thoroughly. Guys, I was impressed. I think he was trying to impress me and I was impressed. Yeah, so that was good. Now I'm just at a cafe. We'll be going to the beach very shortly, like I told you. And then after that, we're going to be having lunch. He says it's one of his favorite places. He showed me yesterday one of his little favorite restaurants. You know, it's like in a little nook and cranny. So 3 of us will be going there for lunch. I suppose after that we head back home. But all in all, I can say I have had a wonderful time. And the best thing about it was I was surprised. I know he told me that he was trying to get a place for us, a little hotel or an apartment or a B&B for Saturday. I'm like, okay, but it's too late, we're not going to get anywhere. So I thought, it's not going to happen, right? But then, the nice thing about it is, it's still a surprise. Because it was Friday evening, he told me that, guess what, babe, I got somewhere. And I didn't know where I was going until I was about to go onto that train. I'm like, yes! Because I've been wanting to go to the beach. I've been wanting to go to the beach, so I'm happy that I popped a bathing suit in, shorts and t-shirt for him as well, and my fingers are crossed that wherever we're going, that it would have involved the beach. And here we are. Anyway, guys, God, I'm talking away like a parrot in this video, right? It's because I'm happy. Anyway, speak again.
That's America.
I'm gonna put that in the video. Yup. Alright, we'll start in a
It
little.
was funny this morning. Me and you started laughing, didn't we? Really early in the morning, like in hysterics at 7 o'clock.
The good thing is we're not grumpy people in the morning.
Yeah.
It would have been awful if one was grumpy
Yeah.
and one was fun. You do get grumpy,
You're not
just
grumpy.
not in the mornings.
Yeah. Get grumpy in the evening.
You get grumpy in the evenings.
I'm pissed off.
It's always pissed off in the morning. He hates me.
Yeah.
It's
Yes, Sidi. So you were saying
This area is called the Pavilion.
the pavilion, all of this here.
The path.
The path.
The path. I'll see you down the path.
I'll see you down the path.
Let's meet at the path. Look at it.
It's nice. It's really pretty. If I had a better camera, Then we would music.
Katerina's going to play soon.
Okay, so you're waiting for that? Babe, let's get to the beach. Baby, let's go to the beach, darling. Let's go to the beach.
Okay, let's follow Celine.
Okay,
Just
darling.
one.
You're the ambassador.
Zoom my
You're like an
jaw.
ambassador from your country.
Yes, I'm an ambassador for my country.
Because I feel like in France, I used to say to all the French guys,
Yes.
look, I'm an ambassador from England.
There we go. There.
Demand
Oh.
respect from you frogs.
I have a wobble gate, crushed apple juice, and it's natural. Yeah. Want to taste it, baby?
Yeah, looks nice.
Crushed apple juice.
Wobble gate,
Yeah.
crushed apple. Wow.
And it's natural, it's working.
Tastes of real apples.
Yeah, very
Try something.
real apple.
Real apples. They suit you though, still actually. I know they're only worth £5.
But it's nice.
They actually suit you.
Yeah, it's nice.
They should be a little
A little one.
bit bigger. How late did we stay up last night? Sorry, Sid. What did you say?
Move to Home. Move to Home.
Yeah, Sid wants us to move to Hove, which is down there.
It's like
Move to where?
Hove.
It's like more on the countryside, but it's close to
H-O-V-E? Oh, let me look and see where.
I was thinking more like yeah, the things in between there. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, maybe that way. Anyway, we'll go and see it.
You ready for the beach? Yeah. All right. And City, let me see the back of your t-shirt. City is married to the sea, made for the coast. Oh. And we're here, guys. We made it to the beach, Brighton Beach.
He's in Jamaica.
Make sure you get his hand head to toe. Yeah?
Yeah.
Awful. Really, really awful.
Not too cold.
Protecting me?
Yep, I'm going.
Good. Guys, I'm sorry. But this is not Jamaica.
Just gotta get used to
are
it.
very pointy.
So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. I hope you make it, 'cause I can't change it anymore. Soon it's all over, and you've been running again. Before you know it, it's all over. So enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you. All I did was screwed my head off. Baby, what you say? You're gonna try and brave the cold Brighton water? Baby? Baby, are you going to try and brave the cold Brighton water?
I'm going to put my feet in the water to test the temperature. This is not Barbados, this is not Jamaica, this is the cold sea.
It's very cold.
It's not like Jamaica.
I just tried
It's not like Jamaica.
and I could only get my feet in. I'm not that brave. I needed 7 miles.
Hold on, wait.
White sandy beaches off the ground. That's what I need. That's not rude. I'm talking about this book. That's what I'm telling about his mind. Not like ours at all. This is very creamy, yes. First time it doesn't taste like a real guava. Oh, you're skimming! Big one! They're brave! Zip lining. You missed it, guys. You missed it. If I wasn't carrying our little one, I would have certainly been doing that zip lining today.
Yeah, you'd love that.
Yeah. So all of these adventures, I will not be participating in. I can't go on the slide. I don't want to go on those things. I don't want to get nauseous. Those rides. The only thing I can go on is a child's train. Children's
I like your
train.
thing. Is that leather or?
I can only go on the children's train. But all in all, I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Me and the little one.
Yeah, I like that around your wrist. Yeah.
Second time I've been to the beach.
Especially to
I've been here in the UK.
got
And yeah,
nothing to lose.
both times I enjoy the experience. It's a very different
It just
experience
looks nice.
because they don't
I
have
like
the
beach.
wide sandy beaches here like we do in Jamaica. But we have to adjust. So I
Festivals
keep my
and
sandals
thing,
on
you know.
because these are just rocks.
Oh yeah.
Rocks. No sand. It's too much on my feet. I try to make
They're
it
really
work.
going in down there. Look.
The water is just much too cold for me though. Much too
So everyone
cold.
knows, everyone in America and Jamaica, all those people.
Yeah.
You see them?
Other people in the water and I can't breathe. That's okay. Zip liners! Guys, so we're about to leave the beach in like the next 5 minutes and go and grab a bite. I brought clothing to go to lunch and I'm like, no, what the hell am I doing? I'm at the beach. I'm just gonna put back on my little green romper and we head and have something to eat and then we make our way home. Did you have a good time?
It was a lot of fun. And if you look around, look around. Everyone's having fun. People are starting to swim out there.
Yeah.
And we had a swim. So really good. But we want to come back and do this again
Well,
before the winter, before the end of September. Yeah.
And to a different beach. So
With
next,
sand.
next time we're going to what's that?
So this like
Look at that. Oh my god.
That's what it's so big.
So even to go in the water, guys, I had to keep my sandals on. And then the worst thing is when you enter the water, those stones are like,
Yeah, very painful.
they're very sharp.
Yeah.
So I'm like, how do they do it? My
It would be
feet,
okay if it's like say little
so
stuff.
tender.
It's these big stuff.
Yeah. No, but the ones, baby, the ones at the shore, they're fine
spiky,
and
yeah.
very spiky,
Very
really awful. So next time we'll try going to Canberra, I think. They're going to be surfing now. The weather has gotten much better, it's much hotter, so I'm assuming the water is also a bit warmer. Okay guys, so we're going to just close out this vlog. And so I am Dee, and this is Justin. Oh, whatever. Anyway, I'm Dee, and this is T, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys!
This is going to be in the restaurant.
Yeah.
And I'm hungry.